All right, Thomas, thanks. Well, when you think of bowling, you may think of bowling at a bowling alley on a Thursday night, maybe some pins and some TVs and some pizza. But for participants in the Irish Road Bowling competition at Salem City Hall, bowling looked a little bit different. Alex Wilson explains.
3 steps, let your arm go loose, and you're trying to throw.
It's not every day you see a road in Salem being used as a bowling alley, but Sunday was no ordinary day.
This sport is great. You'll have a road full of people, everybody running and laughing, and really getting into the beautiful scenery we have here in West Virginia.
That sport is Irish road bowling, and the rules are simple. Each team takes turns throwing a small steel ball as far as they can. Once they do that, they will mark the furthest spot that the ball travels and mark it down with a piece of chalk. At the marked spot, a team member will throw the ball once again. This process happens over and over until the ball goes over the finish line about a mile from the start. The team with the fewest throws wins.
The Irish have a saying, so easy to learn, so difficult to master.
The sport's roots are across the pond in Ireland, of course, but it's significant here in the United States too. During the Civil War, soldiers would play the game, so these bowlers in Salem weren't just playing a game, they were learning a piece of history.
Very excited. I've never done it before, and I can't wait to learn some history and participate today.
Everyone getting a chance to learn a skill and maybe get a little bit of luck in a different kind of bowling alley. Reporting from Salem, I'm Alex Wilson.